5 Best Handheld Vacuum Cleaner for Pet Hair Reviews. Number 1. Shark WandVac Handheld Vacuum. What we love about this Shark WandVac handheld is a brushless motor that offers unbelievable suction with high speed. This vacuum has ultra-lightweight feature to ensure a super comfortable cleaning. It can easily pick up large and small dust with the help of a tapered nozzle. Also, it has filtration technology to capture fine dust. This amazing handheld has a single touch button to empty the dust cup so that no dust gets close to your hand. Even, you can be notified how much battery life will remain with a favor of LED light. Additionally, its quick charging dock and onboard accessory storage make it more favorable to use among the consumer. Number 2. Shark Rocket Corded Hand Vac, HV292. One of the outstanding and high-rated handheld vacuum is Shark Rocket Corded Hand Vac. This vacuum is for one who wants unlimited power that never decreases. It comes with a 15-feet cord that most of the places get coverage to clean easily, and you don't need to worry about battery life. The 400 watts allow you to clean any surface like a floor, stairs, and car interiors. To clean multi-place, this device has come with attachments. The True Pet motorized brush can nicely pick up pet hair and gives a deep clean to pick up dust, stain, and allergen particles. Check our reviews of top-rated Shark vacuums. Apart from these, you can easily empty the dust with the single touch of the bottom door, which is placed on the front side. Else, we know the Shark is a brand that maintains product quality. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum, 33A1. Well, this may not in the first position of our list, but honestly, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is a superb handheld vacuum. It perfectly picks pet hair from the upholstery, bedding, and other fabrics. The device is available at the cheapest price that you easily purchase. Though its compact but powerful suction makes it best-selling pet hair vacuums. When you're thinking of a small handy vacuum cleaner that can clean your carpet, furniture, bedding, it would be a good choice. This is small but has an impressive performance to pick up stubborn pet hair and dust. Number 4. Dirt Devil ST2005 Red Scorpion Quick Flip. This product is the best who are on a tight budget but want a continuous supply of suction power. The handheld vacuum has an ergonomic and compact feature that combined in a lower weight, so that you can easily do your task without face any problem. Its 15-feet cord provides great cleaning and gives you the freedom to clean the whole room. Else, the Quick Flip crevice tool allows you to clean your home, workshop, and car. Also, it can easily flip down to clean tough areas. Besides, the 45 liters dirt cup is enough to take everyday masses, and its clear view helps to see how much it filled up. Its detachable filter makes your cleaning more efficient and easy. Finally, on a low budget, this Dirt Devil Scorpion is a great option in comparison to another high-cost vacuum. Number 5. BLACKDECKER BDH 2020 FLFH Max Lithium Flex Vacuum. If you want a handheld vacuum cleaner that not only for the pet but also covers everything, BLACKDECKER Lithium is a must. It's featured as a portable and multi-functioning vacuuming We recommend this handheld vacuum since it has a rubberized brush to pick up pet hair, a crevice tool, and a flip-up brush to clean hard-to-reach the place. It's a simple vacuum but perfect for cleaning remote areas from floor to ceiling with the help of a 4 feet flexible extension hose. This device has a dust bowl and filter which is easily washable to make your cleaning chore hassle-free. No worry about the filter, as cyclonic action spin keep away the dust from the filter. Though it's a little vac but cleans like a big vacuum, and after using it you will see the difference with the previous cleaning.